This video I will show how I replaced the gas control valve in my furnace, but first I want to show it failing to ignite. I read comments claiming that you can tap on the valve with a rubber hammer to get it to start working again, so I tried that a couple of times without any luck. What's happening is the furnace will trigger to start when the temperature drops below my setting, then the igniter will start to glow, which is supposed to get hot enough to ignite the gas, but that is the point of failure. So the first thing I'm going to do is shut the power and gas off so I can begin replacing the valve. I'll use an adjustable wrench to take the gas hose off the source line. Then I'm going to unplug the wires from the valve. It's a good idea to take a picture of them before doing this so you know how they plug back in. Next I will unscrew the gas pipe connected to the burner tubes so I can check to make sure that the nozzles aren't clogged up. Then I pull the nozzles out of the tubes and carefully work the attached gas valve and line out of the furnace. Now I'm going to twist the gas valve off so I can replace it after checking the nozzles. Here I use a ratchet wrench to pull a nozzle out to inspect it. It doesn't seem clogged at all though, so I put it back in and continue replacing the valve. I use a couple adjustable wrenches to pull the flexible gas line off the old valve, and then proceed to wrap the end of the line with Teflon tape. This is not the right tape for gas though. Apparently PTFE tape used for gas is yellow instead of white. I heat this house mostly with my network, so the furnace is just a backup which I never ended up using over the winter. I actually ended up shutting my gas service off completely since I'm going all electric, and complemented by solar panel arrays I've custom built. Now I wrap the end of the main gas line with tape, straighten out the flexible hose, then wrench it back on. Then I twist the new valve onto the flexible hose and carefully insert it back into the furnace. And I pay close attention to the wires to make sure that I don't accidentally unplug anything while doing so. Now I reinsert all the nozzles back into the burner tubes and screw the assembly back in. I am being very careful not to tighten too much and strip the holes out since this is attached with regular screws through a thin metal. Here I'm using an adjustable wrench again to tighten the flexible hose onto the new valve. The hose will twist when I do this, which is why I straightened it out before putting it back on. Now I just need to plug the wires back in and turn the valve on, turn the gas back on, flip the switch to turn the power back on, and I should be good to go. This furnace has other parts going out which you can hear when it runs, but that's for another video.
Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.